Hello everyone, today we are going to unbox the keyboard. It is Logitech G213 Prodigy. So I bought this thing here in Taiwan for about 32 US dollars, and it is actually a pretty decent price for an ROG keyboard. It looks like a pretty good budget choice, as we will just go on and take it out. Okay, it is out. And let's check if there is anything else inside the box. And you can't really ask for more, so. And as you can see, this is a USB cable. The material of this USB cable does touch nice. And on the corner, there are some control buttons for media control functions. You can mute or change the volume. And here's a game mode button. I will explain it later. And there's 4 indicators here. So the thing about this keyboard is its good look, the shape, and the background light. As you can see, once you plug in the computer, the keyboard will automatically change the color. Okay, let me test these buttons. So we got mute button. The sound will be turned off. And you can change the volume. Take a look at the game mode button. Once you press the button, it will inactivate the Windows button. So if you turn on the game mode while you're playing games, you won't be bothered by the start menu if you accidentally press the Windows button. By the way, you can go to the official website of Logitech and install the Logitech game software, and you can choose 1 to 4 colors at once for your keyboard to display. Overall, this keyboard is not a mechanical keyboard, but its mechanic is definitely fine for a lot of gaming and typing. And that's all of my introduction. Thanks for watching. We will see you next time.